finally trying out the hold up, yeah, this is me. Let's go again. Trying out the flaxseed gel. Alright, so guys, welcome back to another video. And yeah, if you want your hair to be this fluffy, this, well moisturized, this shiny and whatnot, let me teach you how to make flaxseed gel. So here you can see that my hair is actually very dry, very crusty, the undergrowth is there, the hair looks like it is fighting for its life. So I will be showing you how to make flaxseed gel the best way possible. Yeah, so first off, the star of the show, flaxseed itself. This is actually very amazing as a detangling product. It would actually, form a gel when mixed with hot water, right? So I will be showing you the process. So first off, you need a very clean pot that you'll be using. Moving on, you would need the flaxseed itself for sure. Then also your sieve, then spatula to, stir the mixture. And also you need a spoon to scoop your flaxseed into the pot. And yeah, a clean glass cup to fetch your water, because we'll be dealing with measurements, right? So here is our flaxseed. So for this particular video or mixture, I would be scooping out 6 spoons of flaxseed. Just, you can follow this procedure. Some people usually use measuring cup, which is still fine, but for this video, for the sake of this video, we'll be using 6 spoons of flaxseed. So yeah, I'm just scooping it for you all to see. So once I'm done with that, I would measure 2 full cups of water that I'll be using to boil the mixture. So here goes. You can use the size of cup or you can use another one, it depends on you. So you just ensure that you pour it directly into the flaxseed that is already measured in your pot. Then you put this on the fire and you would monitor it. It is one thing for you to be doing flaxseed gel, it's another thing for you to ensure that your mixture is boiling properly and everything is moving on well. So this is our mixture already, and it is already boiling a bit. And here I'm just trying to stir the mixture as often as I can, right, so that everything will just simmer together. So this is how it is looking. As you can see, it is not yet jelly like. So now it is already boiling and it is time for me to reduce the amount of heat that is being produced by the gas. So yeah, that is what I'm actually doing here. So as you can see, it is down and I'll leave this to still simmer for a bit. So I don't have an applicator bottle yet, so I just improvised by using an empty water bottle. Then I punctured the cover, as you can see, so that I can get the mixture out on my hair. So if you don't have an applicator bottle, you can do the same thing. Just get one empty bottle and puncture the head and you can use it, but be very careful. Don't turn the mixture when it is boiling hot. Allow it to cool off a bit so that it would not cause like shrinkage to your bottle, because your bottle cannot withstand so much heat, so you need to be extra careful. You get. Moving on, this is just me straining the mixture after it has boiled, because if I leave it for too long, it will solidify, it will have like very thick gel, which we don't want to work with, because I need it to actually come out of the bottle. So this is it. I'm just straining it as fast as I can so that it does not become too difficult to strain after the boiling process. So this is our flaxseed. I'm done with this. I will practically just keep this in the fridge. That's for the residue that is in the sieve. I might find a use for it later. It's the gel I'm after for now. So can you see the jelly like substance? Yeah. So after you scoop out your gel, this is what you'll be having. As you can see, this should be enough to work on my hair, and this quantity is actually enough for most people. Or if you want like a lot, then you can increase your measurement of your water and also that of your flaxseed. So as you can see, I'm turning it into the bottle. Can you see it? The longer you leave it to cool, the more jelly like it becomes. So yeah, in this video, this is what we will be working with, and let's try this out, my improvised method. Can you see it is coming out well? So yeah, no applicator bottle, this would work, but once you're done, ensure you discard the bottle. You obviously don't need it again. Moving on, this is my dry, crusty looking hair. which I'll be applying the gel to for more hydration. I really want to use it to, you know, improve the detangling process and all. So yeah, this is my first time trying out flaxseed overall. So yeah, I'm still learning, but nonetheless, the first step is to spray water on your hair, or you just, you know, pour a bit of water on your hair. Then you apply your flaxseed as you see me do. Massage it into your hair strands. Focus on your roots and the tip and everything like that. And you detangle as you move on. So this is my white toothed brush, which I'll be using to detangle from the tip of my hair to the root of my hair. You can use a white tooth comb or whatever detangling comb that you have handy, and you're good to go. Once you're done with that, you twist it up and move on to the next state. So I'll see you in my next. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.